Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to write a Python code to order names according to the order of surnames in a list. This is my input list and I have 3 soccer players that I used to watch. I will take these names and order their names according to their surnames in alphabetical order. I will use 2 methods. The first one is using 2 for loops and the second one is using a lambda function. In the for loops method, first I will take their surnames and then sort the surnames according to the alphabetical order, and using that list I will sort this list. The first for loop is sorting the surnames. First I create an empty list called surnames and I iterate over each names and take their surnames. For player in this list, I split each name based on this space. So the Python split method will divide each name using the space as the separator, and it will take the last element, which is the surname, and I put it in a variable called surname. Then the surname is appended to this list. This for loop will iterate over the list and take all the surnames. Once that is done, this list.sort method will sort their names according to the alphabetical order. Let's run this code and see the output. Now we can run the list and see. You can see that their surnames are ordered according to the alphabetical order. Once that is done, I create another empty list called sorted names, and based on this list I will take each names into this list. In this nested for loop, for each surname in this list, I iterate over this list for player in soccer players. If a surname present in this list, that complete name will be appended to this list. So because we iterate over each element in this list and take the elements that are related from this list, these names will be appended into this list based on this order. So once that is done, we can run this code and see the output. The names should be ordered according to the surnames. Carlos, Drogba and Terry, those are ordered according to the alphabetical order. So this is about using 2 for loops. The next method is using a lambda function. The code is pretty short. The lambda expression says split a name based on the space and then take the surname, and this sort function will sort this list, which is our first list, according to that surname. What this key means that it is the sorting criteria that we provide to this sort function. So the output of this line should be a sorted list of elements from this list. Let's run this and see if we get the same output. This is my input. Carlos, Drogba and Terry. Yes, so this is the same expected output. If we use these inbuilt functions and methods in Python, we can avoid writing these long for loops and achieve the same targets easily. It is important to understand how this lambda function works and how this sort function works and how did I split the name and took the last element in that list. So if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to help. If you like to see similar content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Happy learning.